Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to TM 2223 Client Server Computing tutorial. Today we're going to install VMware and do some setup. For that, first of all, you need to download the VMware. So what you have to do is go to search for VMware. Click the downloads and then go to product A to Z and try to find VMware player. Okay, here it is. Yeah, go to product download. Now the current version of VMware player is 7.1.0. For this version, there is a note here. It needs you to key in a license key, yeah, in order to use. And I found that if you switch back to 6.0, yeah, in this version you don't have to key in any key, and then you can use it as long as it is not it is a non-commercial work. So I think this is the correct or the best version for you, right? Just to download, click this download button, and then it will download, and you have to wait until it finish, right? Right, after the download is finished, what you have to do to install. So let's browse and find the file. So mine I put in my folder here. Alright, this is the installation file. So what I need to do is to double click the file. Alright, yes. Okay, next. Agree to the license agreement. Next. Next. I don't want the updates. Next. Not now for the help. Next. Next. And lastly, continue. Right, and the setup file will install the VMware. It require about a few minutes. Okay, just wait for the installation to finish. Okay, the setup wizard is done. Click finished. And then you can go to start and then find VMware player. Click that. Okay, this is the interface of your VMware player, right? So to create new virtual machine, just go to hit this link or this button, then click. And then you probably need to find your ISO file by pointing to this option button, and then try to find your ISO Windows 7 ISO file. Mine is in this directory. Let's select Windows 7 32-bit ISO. Click open, and then next. You don't have to put the product key, yeah, and then instead here you need to select the version, which is Windows 7 Ultimate, your full name, password, and no password. It is just an options, and then click next. Yeah, I will not enter the product key. Yes. And then give a name for your virtual machine. Let's say my server, and then the location will be in documents, virtual machines. That's fine. Next, the hard disk is recommended for Windows 7 is 60 gig. It is okay. And then virtual disk into multiple files, that's fine too. Next, and then let's click for customize hardware. My concern here is to change the adapter, network adapter. The net will allow your server to connect to the internet, but now the issue is to connect to the host. So I need to select this one, host only, right? So that the host can connect to the server. Right, that's all for now. Just click close, click finish, and then the VMware will create the disk. So you need to wait for a few minutes. Alright, the Windows is loading. Okay, here a pop-up to update VMware tools. Yeah, I don't need that. Maybe remind me later here. Okay, the window will start its installation, and it needs few reboot, restarting. So let just follow the instruction, the wizards, until you will get your first desktop. Yeah, okay, just follow the instruction. Alright, so this is the your desktop of your server. Right, once you get your server done, what you have to do is probably the first thing is to change the screen. Sorry, this is personalize background, change to another one like here. Right, so you got this, and then you need to also to switch off your firewall. Go to control panel, system and security, Windows firewall, and then go turn it off here. Click this option and another one here, and click OK. Right, and then what you have to look after is the IP address. So here your IP address is 192.168.68.128, right? Yours might be different, yeah. So in order to see the connection, go to your host computer and then open also a command prompt, and then try to ping that IP 192.168.68.128. Alright, so it's success. Okay, so the communication is okay right now, but another thing is to how to share files between your host computer and the server. So in order to do that, you need to close, shut down your server, and then go to the setting. Okay, let's shut down it first. Alright, open back your VMware player. Okay, go to my player and then edit virtual machine setting here. So here what you need to do here is in this option where you need to go to shared folder and then click here, always enable, and then you need to add the click the add, yeah, to name the shared folder. So with the folder, so I can click browse and then maybe select the virtual machine folder, which is in my document, and then you have a virtual machine, yeah. So let make this folder as the shared folder. Click OK, name it as a shared folder, right? Click next, enable this share is finished. Okay, right. Another thing is to go to your the actual folder. Yeah, go to using a Windows Explorer, go to my documents. This is the shared folder that we just selected just now. So what you need to do is right click, go to property, go to sharing, and then go to advanced sharing here, and then please select this, yeah, share this folder. Yours may be not shared, yeah, so click share this folder and then click OK. So the path will be in this form, yeah, shared folder. You can copy that, copy, yeah, and then closed. Right, so open back your VMware and play, run the virtual machine and start your Windows. Okay, once you're in, you can open Windows Explorer and then go to network here. And then you can click to your host computer name here like this, click, and it needs your username and password, so just put on your computer name, username, yeah, and then the password as usual, right, click OK, and then you are in the shared folder. So this shared folder here is similar to what you have in your host computer, which is in this folder, virtual machine. So what if you delete this file, for example, so you will see the same thing in your shared folder in your server. Okay, that's it for this video, I think. Don't forget to install the JDK in the server and also in your host computer together with Eclipse, also both, yeah, in server and also in host computer. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye. Assalamualaikum.